Hello everyone, in today's video I will be talking about identity operators in Python. In my earlier videos I have already explained 5 types of operators in Python, which are arithmetic operators, logical operators, comparison operators, assignment operators and membership operators. If you haven't watched those videos, I will give the link in the description. You can go through them in the link. In today's video I will be talking about identity operators in Python. And before starting, let me tell you, there are two types of identity operators in Python, which are the is and the is not identity operator. To describe them in detail, I will take an example where we are defining two variables a and b, and with the help of the is and is not identity operators, we will be checking whether they have the same identity or not. As you can see here, I have two variables a and b, assigned the values 20 to each. Now I am printing value of a is a and id is id of a. Here id is a built-in keyword which actually finds the identity of a variable. So I am printing value of a is a and id is id of a. Here the value of a and the id of a will be printed. As you can see here, when I am running my program, the value of a is 20 and the id is the certain number. In the same way, the value of b is 20 and the id is a certain number. Now I will tell you how to compare them with the help of the comparison operator as well as the identity operators. Then you will understand the difference between the use of the comparison operator and the identity operator. I have commented it, so now I will remove the comments and I will show you what I have done here. I have written id of a is equal to id of b. I have used the if conditional statement. Here id of a and id of b, they will check the identity with the help of the comparison operator, which is the equal operator here. So if id of a is equal to b, then it will print a and b have the same identity. Otherwise, it will print a and b do not have the same identity. I am running it. You can check that the value of a is 20 and the id is a certain number. Value of b is 20 and the id is a certain number. And just because the IDs are same, it is printing a and b have the same identity. You can see the IDs are same in this case. Therefore, a and b have the same identity is being printed. Now this was using the comparison operators. Now I will show you how to use the identity operators. I will uncomment this section and then here I am using the same if conditional statement. I am writing if a is b. So here is a identity operator which checks the id of a and b, and in this case we need not write the id keyword in front of the variables. The is identity operator is automatically doing it. So when it is equal, then we are printing a and b have the same identity. Otherwise we are printing a and b do not have the same identity. Here in the top case, you see we have written id the keyword. In the identity operator, we are not using that. So when I am running it, you can see the value of a is a and the id is the certain number, and the value of b is 20 and the id is a certain number, and it's printing a and b have the same identity because the IDs are same, as you can see here. So this was the is identity operator. Now I will show you how to use the is not identity operator. Here I am updating my value of b to 30. The initial value of a was 20 and b was 20. In this case, I am updating the value of b to 30. In the earlier case, it was printing a and b have the same identity. I was taking the example where I wrote the print statement in a different style. In this case, I am writing the print statement in another style. It is a short form. Here you can see the id a equal to the value of a will be printed, and I have written in shortcut the id of a. In the same way, I have done it for the b variable as well. and I have used the is not identity operator here. Here also we are not using the ID keyword. We are only writing A is not B. Here it will check if the ID of A is not equal to B, because not is written here, then it will print A and B do not have same identity. Otherwise it will print A and B have same identity. When I am running my program, you can see that this was my earlier part of the code where it printed A and B have same identity. Here, because of the is operator, this part of the code produces this result where the is identity operator is used. Now in the second case, I have updated the value of B to 30. So you can see the value of A is the initial value, which was 20. This was the ID. Now the value of B gets updated, it becomes 30 and it has a different ID. You can see the ID value has changed. If the IDs are not equal, then it will print A and B do not have same identity. That's why you get this output, because the IDs are different. Otherwise, it would have printed the else statement, which is A and B have the same identity. So this is about the identity operators in Python. So this is all about this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the video, and if you like it, then tell us in the comment section below. If you have any doubts, then post them in the comment section. I will definitely try to clear those doubts. Also, like, share and subscribe to our channel Coders Arcade and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification when we post a new video. Thank you. Happy learning.